Okay, what's up, everyone? So this is my explanation for the free response questions. So for A and B is pretty basic and simple, so I think it's gonna be easy. So for A, we will need a formula to do this. So it's very simple because you just need to follow this formula, and then you can calculate the difference between two of the means, the ambulance, the transported by ambulance, and safe transported. So let's go to it. So I wrote down a formula right here. So using this formula, you can solve A very fast and simple. So for this one, x1 is the mean for the sample 1. N1 is how many people are sampled. X2 is the mean for sample 2. N2 is how many people are sampled. O1 is the standard deviation for sample 1. O2 is the sample for it's the same for sample 2. And if you look at the table, you will see 99% of means, which is the z, which will have the z be 2.58. So that's all you need to do for questions A. So this is how I solved it. So first, just follow the formula, and then roll down to this. So I got this number. So my conclusion for A is that the mean of the ambulance and the safe transport will be between minus 4.317 and maybe something else behind it, and minus 0.202. The unit would be the minutes. Okay, so basically that's what I got from the equation, and then the mean of time who go by ambulance is lower than self-transport, and of course it's between 0.2 and 4.3 as in the equations that I've already solved. So pretty basic and simple for A. So for B, it is way more simple than A, because when you look at the equation, you can see that you have 99% of confidence interval. So which means it is pretty obvious to see that it is significant and reliable. So you don't need to talk much because 99% is definitely does not happen by chance. So whatever mean you get, 0 and 1 or 5, they are still statistically significant. So in this case, the only chance that it is not significant is when you mess around with the confidence interval, say 99%, and then you make it to 90%, and you get a very huge number. Then you can doubt this is not significant. But in this case, everything seems fine on spot. So I think it is pretty much say that it is a significant. And also, since 0 is not in the 99%, we can make another confirm to it. So if 0 is not in the 99%, we will have the A equal to 0.01. So basically it's pretty much of significant right there. So that's pretty much of the video. So thank you for listening, and I hope you guys stay safe and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.